Alright guys, in the next part of the unboxing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the remote out. I think it comes out the easiest. Let's see how many batteries go in here. Ooh, I almost broke that. Whoa. So it's not your typical battery compartment here. There's no AA or AAA batteries that go in here. Maybe the battery is somewhere else. So that's one thing to think about that. Ooh, it feels really good in the hand, by the way. Let's hope I don't break anything while I do this. Okay, so the quad itself won't come out unless I snippety snip with some scissors. So I will not touch that. And we'll take the goggles out. Let's see. They look like they have a pretty nice screen in there. And hopefully it is not beat up because I see some things that could... Oh no, it's just... Hopefully it's just dirt. And we'll have to see what kind of antennas came with this.
Likey.